Hey guys, what's up? And today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a slime kit. What's her name? Karina Garcia. I don't watch the video because I just saw it and I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna get it. And I bought it. So let me just open it. Oh, and by the way, I'm gonna be babysitting a little baby, so like the baby's gonna be right next to me. But like not right now because the mother is babysitting right now. Until someone stops babysitting her, my mom is gonna give it to me. Okay. So all of this stuff. I was gonna open it without you guys, but I'm like, yeah, I need to do it with you. Okay, so this is all the stuff. That's a lot. Okay. I'm just gonna put this right over here. So I have this paper, instruction, I think. Okay. So, and I'm gonna open this and I'm gonna show you. Dun, 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 dun. It says craft suited by Karina. Ready, set, go. So first things first, of course, glue by Karina Garcia. So glue. What is it? What is this? What is this? This is eye contact. Okay, eye contact, so I could be glad. Okay, this is activator. Yeah, activator says. This is, I don't know, but this is the spoon. I mean maybe it's for the slime. Okay, this little paper. And the last thing is this little thingy. And inside it has this little thing. It has powder or glow coloring, glitter, some fizzles, or I don't know what is that, and water gel. Yeah, I think that. So, oh, and I like this. One eternity later. Okay, tomorrow I'm gonna do this. I don't have time right now. Okay, so yeah, when I finish, I'll be coming back to you guys. So now we're gonna go into extraction. Scare me? Okay. Okay, so the extraction. So first thing first. Okay, so it says right here, official make your own slime kit. Include your slime. Yeah, okay. I don't get it. Let's read the other paper. Okay, I don't know how to do it. Let's do it by our own. So, oh, this is clear. Let me open it. She said, "Do you love me?" I thought only part I want it not bad. My mom, I'm sorry. Wait, guys, I'll be right back. So, guys, I have my phone right here, and I'm gonna click on YouTube. This is my other account that I have. Subscribe because I'm gonna make YouTube's there. So, okay, I don't watch that. My sister watches. So, how to make slime with okay. I'm just gonna search it. So I have this video that's Karina Garcia, and she's gonna be like making it. This is announcement. Let me just finish. Okay, go. Okay, yeah. Well, okay, we wanna make something.
Shook. In today's video, I'm basically here to give you guys a first look
Shook.
that will be available tomorrow.
So let me just see.
Exclusively
Well, it's gonna make slime.
and in stores. And I am my own slime. People like anyone thinking that like still, but I'm still gonna show you guys step by step. Also because there's people who need a
And these spoons.
And so you guys can definitely.
Okay, so this is like for coloring. So I'm just gonna make one, guys. Okay. So we need this. We need to get the purple one, she said, because she's gonna put purple. I'm gonna put purple too then. I'm gonna put this one. Never mind, I'm gonna put purple. She's like doing one. So you put this little thing. Okay.
Then it calls for 2 tablespoons of this. We're gonna.
Okay, so 2 tablespoons of water. Water, where are you? So I'm gonna put water, and then I still put water. So let me just put it. Okay, so it's starting to look like this. Now let me see what she does.
Until it dissolves.
Okay, so now I need to do this until it disappears. She said dissolves. It looks cool. I don't smell nothing. Okay, so I just need a. This is not purple. This is like pinkish. So let me see what she does.
This is what colors your slime. Everything's basically dissolved.
So it's gonna be like reddish. So it's all dissolved. Oh, cool. Okay. Oops, sorry about this. I didn't so I put that paper there. Okay. I think I put a lot of water. Because it looks like she didn't put a lot of water. So guys, don't do the same mistake that I did. Okay, now she's gonna add some
water gel powder.
Okay, she's gonna add this. One spoon. So let me just see.
Can either do this on the.
Okay, people, she's adding 1 spoonful. Nothing happening here. Okay. I'm adding it. Oh, this looks weird. Okay, so this is how it's looking like. It looks so weird. Like now I need to mix it with this. So that's why we needed that. Oh my god, it looks kind of weird. Oosh. Oh, feels weird. Oh, it's not even sticky. Like, what the? Okay, let me just find out what she does. So now we're gonna add our glue. So I'm just doing a spoonful, like me, like us. Because if you're doing with me, it's us. This is close. Don't tell me it's close, because if it is close, it's close. Mom! I finally open it. So now let me add on a spoon. Okay. So I have my spoon filled. Let me see if she adds it all.
1 tablespoon, and these ingredients call for small batches of slime because there's different types of slime that you can do in this kit, and we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of.
Okay, so yes, I need to add this. What? And 30 later. Okay, so now finish with doing this. Beep 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 beep. Okay, let me see.
Of water.
Okay, of water.
Mix all.
So I added my water.
You can definitely go in with some more of that instant snow or gel powder or water
Okay,
of
guys,
glue
so
and 1 tablespoon
I
of water.
more,
You go in with 2 teaspoons of this. So we're gonna actually add it slowly because you guys gotta remember when you're adding
I need
it.
to put the activator. Okay, the activator. It's coming like this. She's like adding the activator right now. Sorry guys, because it's stuck in my finger now. Okay, so we need to add the activator. So guys, I have wasted a lot of things now, and I wasted my activator because it has like a little thing. Like you need to open it like with this thingamajiggy. She said, "Do you love me?" If we get to 30 likes or more, I'll do another one. Okay, yeah, okay, now I opened it. Okay, so she's gonna add 2. Okay, yeah, I added 2. Okay, now let me see what she does. Okay, so now I just need to mix it all together. She said, "Do you love me?" I tell her. Now let me just take it off the bottle. Like, I'm gonna put it like right over here. I need like more activators, so like if it's not activated a lot, more activator. Like I'm doing right now. She said, "Do you love me?" Put it back in there because you don't want your table to be